TJ. Are you serious?
Oh wow.
My gosh. What in the world? And you have your legs propped up and everything, you nasty little turd.
Oh, wrong finger.
Fuck out of here. TJ, golly, again?